Every morning, I like to have a routine of going through all of my scheduled meetings to be sure I'm prepared for each one. Today, I know I have a meeting with Allie Jameson and several of her coworkers from Contoso. I already happen to be here in Teams chat, and I want to be prepared for this meeting. Before I get started, I'm going to make sure that Teams chat will pull in information from the web and from Dynamics 365. So I'll start by learning a bit about Contoso. Notice that this has pulled in information from our own internal company information, as well as information from the web. And I can click on these references to open websites, SharePoint pages, emails, and more to see where the information comes from. Next, let's learn about who will be involved in the meeting. Notice that Copilot has suggested some additional things I may want to ask about. Knowing the benefits of Copilot for Sales could help me be on top of the meeting. So let's see those benefits. Notice again that it's bringing information together from within our company, coming through SharePoint documents, Dynamics, and other resources, and from the web to present this information. Okay, let's ask one more question. At C5 Insight, we have an offering called a Luck 365 plan to help provide support, administration, adoption, and planning. So I'm going to ask Copilot to give me a list of benefits for how this service offering may be helpful to Contoso. Great, I've assembled a lot of information that might help me with this meeting. From here, I can copy these and paste them into Word or OneNote or some other location to make sure I've got all of this information at my fingertips to have the most productive possible meeting.